How to block messages from unknown senders. Spam messages can be annoying and even dangerous, so it's important to know how to block them. To block messages from unknown senders, first open the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap on the Message option. In the Message settings, scroll down and toggle on the options for Filter Unknown Senders. This will automatically filter out messages from senders who aren't in your contact list and move them to a separate list. To view the list of unknown senders, go back to the main messages screen and look for a separate list labeled Unknown Senders. You can view messages from these senders by tapping on this list, but they won't appear in your main box. If you receive spam messages from a particular sender, you can block them by swiping left on the message and tapping on the Block This Caller option. This will prevent them from sending you any further messages. Also, you can mute notification of unknown senders. Go to Notification, scroll down, then tap on Message. Then tap on Customize Notification. Now toggle off Unknown Senders. Now you will not get any notification from unknown numbers. That's it. Those are the steps to take to block messages from unknown senders on your iPhone. Remember to regularly check your unknown senders list to make sure you are not missing any important messages. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to our channel for more videos.